What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the diamond braid on locks. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was create a part from ear to ear, and I'm going to put this section here into a ponytail. Once I create a section right here, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little twist just to keep it out of the way while I continue. Now that we have this hair out of the way, we're going to go ahead and start with our style. We're going to bring the hair back. Once you've created your section in the back, you want to go ahead and create a middle part from the forehead going straight to the back. And do is take some hair from this section here. You want to take hair from wherever you like your braid to start. If you want to start lower, you can start here. If you want to start higher, you can start here. It depends on where you want your diamond braid to start. So I want my diamond braid to start just about here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take a section of hair right here. I'm going to take these 4 locks, remove my clips. And put a rubber band on these 4. You do not have to use approximately 4 locks for the section where you want your diamond braid to start. Just pick a section of locks on your head, however your locks are parted, and create your sections. Here is 4 accessory strings. You can use this accessory for braids, plaits, etc., etc. Here I'm going to be using it for this particular style, and what I've done with these 4 strings is tie them into a knot, as you can see, and now I'm going to separate them into 2 strands just like this. I'm going to take the section of locks that I'm using to start my diamond braid, and I'm going to go ahead and just put the knotted side under where I want my braid to be. So you can go ahead and remove these clips, and just keep in mind the sections of hair that you are going to be working with. Now here I have 4 locks. However many you have, it doesn't matter. Just separate it into 2, just like so. And you're going to be using your string as one strand. Start this braid. I'm going to be grabbing some hair from the left side. I'm going to be going from the front of the head straight back as if I were parting a cornrow. I'm going to bring that hair down just like so to the back. All right, see, just brought it straight to the back. I'm going to take my accessory string, okay, and I'm going to take it under, okay, and I'm going to come over. All right, then I'm going to take it and go under this strand here. Now before I do anything further, I'm going to go ahead and start again. From the right side, I'm going to take some hair. From the temple, I'm going to come straight back as if I were creating a cornrow. And I'm going to bring that hair back just like so. Taking the string, adding it to this section here, just like so. Understand that throughout this braid, we are going to be using 2 sections, okay? So now that I've went under, I'm going to come over. Okay? Now I'm going to come under that second strand, okay? Now this is an essential part of the braid I want you to understand. This is where we tied the string to our little section of hair, so this is where our braid is beginning. We've done 1 stitch and we have 2 strands. What you should understand about this braid is that we are using the technique of an infinity braid, which is basically a figure 8, okay? So I came under, this first strand over, and then under the second strand, around, over. Now I'm going under again. Before I continue, I'm going to go ahead and start from the left side. Again, from the front, parting some hair straight back as if I were doing a cornrow. And I'm going to hold my string just like this. I'm going to sit this hair right next to this section here on the left, just like so. And I'm going to bring my string around like an infinity braid, a figure 8, over, okay, through the middle, under this second section, okay? So as you can see, that second section entered right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the right side. Bring some hair from the front of the hairline straight back as if I were doing a slim. Bring this hair back, sit it right next to that second section. I'm gonna bring the string around. We're going through the middle, over. Okay? Under. Okay? You can fix it however you like. See, that's 2 strands. We went over, under. Before we come over again, we're gonna go ahead and grab some hair from the front like we're doing a cornrow. Bring that hair back. We're gonna sit that hair right here. It belongs to the left. Bring the string over. Okay? Under, just like an infinity braid, okay? I like to stick my finger right through the middle here so I can know what I'm working with, okay? So before, I'm gonna hold it between my fingers here. Before I bring it around, I'm gonna go ahead again from the right, bringing the hair straight back. I'm gonna sit it right here next to the right section because that's where it belongs. Bring the string around, over, okay, under, just like an infinity braid, okay? All the while we're working with 2 sections. There goes my finger again. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it there. I'm gonna go ahead from the left, okay? I'm gonna take a section of hair, pulling it back, adding it right here to the left. I'm gonna take that string, I'm gonna bring it around through the middle. And you already know we're going under like a figure 8, okay? There's my finger again, right in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and just hold that there. I'm gonna grab some hair from the temple again, coming straight back and sitting that right next to that because it belongs to the right. We're going over, okay, under. You can push it up some, see our diamond is starting to form. reached our section where we have our ponytail. So this is where the technique will switch up and we will begin to let hair out of this diamond braid as opposed to letting it in. Now that we've reached our section here in the back, we're gonna go ahead and switch up our technique, and instead of adding hair, we're gonna be letting hair out, okay? Continuing our figure 8 motion. So we're gonna go over, just like the infinity braid, under. First thing we're gonna do to switch up the technique is to begin to take locks out of the braid. On this particular style, I'm going to be using 4 locks. You can use 3, you can use 2, you can use 1. Depending on how many locks you have, how thick your hair is, choose at your own discretion. Here, I'm going to be choosing 4. So I'm going to go ahead and take 4 locks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to take these 4 locks and I'm going to just sit it up here. And to make it easier, I'm going to go ahead and take one of my flat clips, just like so, to hold it up. So 4 locks up, we're going to continue our figure 8. We're going to come over, same thing, same 2 sections. We're going under. We're gonna take 4 locks. Four locks. Up. Okay? We're gonna continue our figure 8. Over and under. Move it up if you like. Now that we went over and under, we're gonna go ahead and take 4 locks from this side, from the right side. 4 locks, go up. I'm gonna take our string and we're gonna come back around, figure 8. Under. Under. We're going to subtract 4 locks. Okay. 4. Go up. We're going to come around. Under. Once we get to this side, we're going to take 4 locks out. 4 locks. We're going to take our string, we come around, figure 8. Right through the middle. Under. Back to the string here left, I'm going to go ahead and secure this braid. And what I'm going to do is take a couple of locks from the back here along with the string, and I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm just going to secure it. Now that I've secured that down, we can go ahead and remove our clips. Go ahead and let that hair down. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about the diamond braid on locks. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Hit the like button. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Subscribe. Y'all know I rock with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here.